Welcome back. What if I told you that the move you just watched, substituting 4 by hand, getting tangled in arithmetic, second guessing whether it was 3 times 16 or 3 plus 16? What if I told you the SAT actually wants you to do this in 5 seconds, not 30? Today I'm showing you Desmos hack number 5, the table trick. By the end of this video, you'll never substitute by hand on a function question again. You'll punch in all 4 answer choices at once, let Desmos do the math, and move on. Let's get into it. Here's the time showdown. On the left, by hand, 30 seconds minimum. You substitute, you square, you multiply, you subtract, and pray you didn't fat finger a step. And remember, the SAT gives you 4 answer choices, so worst case you're doing this 4 times. That's 2 full minutes on one question. On the right, Desmos table. 5 seconds, type the function, open the table, enter all 4 answer choices as X, read off the Y column 6 times faster. 0 arithmetic. And it's allowed. Desmos is built into the digital SAT. Why would you ever do it the old way? Let's break the method into 4 moves you can memorize today. Step 1, type the function into Desmos f of x equals whatever the question gives you. Step 2, hit the blue plus button and choose table. Boom, host X and Y columns appear. Step 3, type your answer choices into the X column. Don't do them one at a time. Drop all 4 in at once. Step 4, read the Y column and find the match. That's it. And the best part, this works for every function type the SAT throws at you. Linear, quadratic, exponential, rational, absolute value. Same 4 steps every time. Time for our first real example. The question f of x equals 3x squared minus 2. What is f of 4? Answer choices A through D, 10, 22, 46, 106. Watch what we do. Type f of x equals 3x squared minus 2. Done. Click the plus button, add a table. Now here's the move. Type 1, 2, 4, and 6 into the x column. Desmos instantly fills the Y column, 1, 10, 46, 106. The question asked for f of 4, so we look at x equals 4, y equals 46. Answer C, 5 seconds, no arithmetic, no chance of error. That's the power of the table. Example 2, and this one's where the table really shines. Which point lies on g of x equals x cubed minus 3x plus 2? By hand, this is brutal. You'd have to cube each x value, subtract 3x, add 2, and do it 4 times. 2 minutes of pure arithmetic risk. With the table, type the function, enter x equals negative 2, 1, 2, 3. Desmos returns 0, 0, 4, 20. Now check the choices. Choice C says the point, 2, 4. And our table shows when x equals 2, y equals 4. Match, answer is C. 5 seconds versus 2 minutes. The cubic doesn't scare you anymore. Your turn. Pause the video and try this one. H of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. What's h of 3? Choices 14, 22, 28, 36. Here's your 4-step play. Type the function, open the table, enter x equals 3, read the y value. Pro tip, you don't need to enter all 4 answer choices here because the question gives you the x value. Just plug in 3 and see what Desmos returns. Pause now, do it, comment your answer below, and I'll reveal it on the next slide. Go. Welcome back. The answer is 22, choice B. When you typed x equals 3 into the table, Desmos returned 22 instantly. If you want to verify by hand, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 5. 18 plus 9 minus 5 equals 22. Checks out. But notice, you didn't have to do any of that. And here's the kicker. 30 seconds by hand per choice times 4 choices is 2 minutes per question. Table, 5 seconds. On a section with 10 function value questions, that's 20 minutes you just got back. 20 minutes for the harder problems. That's how perfect scorers think about time. This is your cheat sheet. Screenshot it right now, pause the video, take the screenshot, come back. The golden rule, type the function, open the table, enter x equals the answer choices, read y, match. 4 steps. Use the table whenever you see find f of a, which point is on the curve, verify the equation at given inputs, or compare function values. It works for every function type, linear, quadratic, cubic, absolute value, exponential. Pro tips: enter all answer choices at once for max speed, match both X and Y for point-on-curve questions, and right-click any cell to clear it and save this image. You'll thank me on test day. So here's the deal. Substitution by hand is a waste of your time. 5 seconds, all 4 choices, 0 errors, that's the standard now. If this hack saved you 20 minutes on test day, do 3 things for me right now. Smash the like button. It helps more students find these hacks. Drop a comment with your answer to H of 3. Did you get 22? And hit subscribe with the bell, because every week I'm dropping a new Desmos hack and SAT shortcut. Want to go further? Head to satprep1600.com. Free AI-powered SAT prep personalized to your weak spots with practice tests and a score tracker. Hack number 6 is coming next week. See you then.